There was a time I couldn't have named 10 companies on the stock market. To me, it was all noise, tickers scrolling, numbers flashing, everyone certain about what you should buy next. I am the analyst behind this channel. Since then, a lot has changed. An MBA from a top business school, more than 7 years as a strategy consultant, advising large companies and working alongside their senior leaders, and learning to explain the complicated parts in plain languages, taking businesses and ideas apart to understand what actually drives them is quite literally what I do for a living. Somewhere in there, the noise started to make sense to me. That's why this channel exists. Not to hand you tips, not to tell you what to buy, just the building blocks, what a company actually is, what it does, what its numbers actually mean, explained one clear idea at a time for you. If markets have ever felt like a language nobody bothered to teach you, you are in the right place. Every week, one concept or one company broken down the way I wish someone had broken it down for me. My job here is simple: help you understand markets and businesses well enough to think for yourself. Nothing more, nothing less. If this is what you have been looking for, subscribe and stick around. New breakdown every week and pass it to a friend who could use it.